MBTV News. This is Apeksha Gadre giving you today's news bulletin.
Rapes and molestation cases rise in the satellite city. Navi Mumbai's Belapur-Taloja metro line to be extended to Kalyan. Network of overhead wires at Turbe. No underground work done, dangerous for the residents. Bump of garbage at Turbe. No garbage bin in the area.
Urban Development Department has been ordered to conduct a survey as a part of Metro Plan extended Navi Mumbai's Belapur-Taloja metro link to Kalyan, Ulhasnagar and Murbad. With the upcoming international airport, air passengers will want to reach the surrounding areas faster.
Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan has ordered the Urban Development Department to conduct a survey as the part of plans to extend Navi Mumbai's Belapur-Taloja metro line to Kalyan, Ulhasnagar and Murbad. CIDCO is currently working on Rs 400 crores metro project connecting Belapur and Taloja and has also so far has spent over 1,600 crores. The first phase of the project will be ready for the operation by the end of 2014. It takes at least 2 hours to reach Kalyan from Navi Mumbai by road. When international airport comes up at Navi Mumbai, commuters would want to reach Kalyan faster. Hence, the plan to extend the metro to Kalyan will ensure that passengers reach Kalyan in less than half the time that it takes by road. Once the service completed, the metro will be commissioned in next 3 years. Metro will rid commuters of their travelling woes. Connecting Kalyan with Navi Mumbai will bring economic development for the region. Hence, metro coming up will change the face of the cities. News Desk, MBTV.
Overall crime rate in the city has fallen for the period of January to August this year as compared to the same period in 2012. But serious crimes like attempt to murder, rape and molestation has increased during the first 8 months.
Mixed news on the crime front in Navi Mumbai. The overall crime rate in the city has fallen for the period of January to August this year as compared to the same period 2012. While crime like chain snatching, daylight burglars and vehicle thefts have directly affected the residents have declined. Serious crimes like attempt to murder, rape and molestation have increased during the first 8 months. The crime statistics of Navi Mumbai Police Commissionerate from January to August 2013 shows that 3,220 criminal cases were registered in the city against 3,470 in 2012. The detection rate improved from 60% last year. During the same period, 1,938 cases are detected to 65% this year, when 2,106 cases have been detected. However, while murder cases have dropped slightly from 39 to 34, attempt to murder cases witnessed a sharp increase from 13 to 22. Rape, which is making big news all over the country, shows a sharp increase from 26 to 46. Detection rate in the case of murders till August in 2012 was 87% against 85% this year for 100% attempt to murder cases. 13 cases were solved last year against 95% 21 cases this year. Increasing rape and murder cases is the big challenge for the police department to probe. News Desk, MBTV.
Election Committee has started the process of enrolling names in the voting list. From morning 10 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock in the schools of the area, this facility is available. Applicants should fill the forms and enroll their names in the voting list.
Lok Sabha election on corner, Election Committee has started to enroll the names of the voters of the area in the list. From morning 10 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock in the nearby schools of the area, this facility is made available for the residents. Started from 16 September for the enrollment of names, process will be ended on 17th October. Suddenly started with the enrollment process, residents are unaware about this. Locals whose names are not registered in the voter ID list should enroll their names soon. Locals should check their names in the voters list, and if no names are in the list, applicants should fill up the form and enroll their names in the list for the upcoming elections on corner. This enrollment of names in the voter ID list is being done at Konkan Bhavan. News Desk, MBTV.
Well, it's time for a short break now. Stay tuned to MBTV.
सलोना देख लगा है चर्चा शहर भर।
आसमान से परी उतर के आई है इस ज़मीं पर।
कलाविधि, 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 कलाविधि। मचले यौवन महका तन मन उभर के आई जवानी, देख के हर कोई मुझे पुकारे आजा दिल की रानी। दुनिया सारी आज अचानक मेहरबान हुई मुझ पर।
आसमान से परी उतर के आई है इस ज़मीं पर।
कलाविधि, 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 कलाविधि।
रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स का एक्सक्लूसिव शोरूम फॉर मेल, फीमेल एंड किड्स। डिजाइनर साड़ीज, ब्राइडल वेयर, पार्टी वेयर एंड कैजुअल वेयर, रंग बिरंगे कपड़े बाबा और बेबी के लिए। कलाविधि शॉप नंबर 49 to 51, पटेल हेरिटेज, सेक्टर 7, खारघर, नवी मुंबई।
Welcome back after the short break. Sri Govardhani Mata Temple at Belapur, known as Goddesses to fulfill the wishes, for 9 days Navratri Utsav is organized. During this Utsav for 9 days, Home Havan and various programs for the goddesses will be performed.
आई भवानी तुझ्या कृपेने तारसी भक्ताला, आई भवानी तुझ्या कृपेने तारसी भक्ताला। अगाध महिमा तुझी माऊली वारी संकटाला, अगाध महिमा तुझी माऊली वारी संकटाला। आई कृपा करी माझ्यावरी जागवी तो रात सारी, आई कृपा करी माझ्यावरी जागवी तो रात सारी। आज गोंधळाला ये।
Known as the goddesses fulfilling wishes, Sri Govardhani Mata at Sri Govardhani Mata Temple, Kille Gauthan, Belapur from 5th October for 9 days Navratri Utsav is organized. Sri Govardhani Mata Temple is the oldest temple since 250 to 300 years. During the reign of Peshwas, Pratisthapana of the temple was concluded. Former MLC Manda Mhatre, with the cooperation of local villagers, reconstructing the temple in South style, concluded the Jeernoddhar Soda. Like every year, this year too, 9 days Navratri Utsav various programs will be organized. On the first day of Navratri, 5th October, morning 6 to 7, Abhishek on Goddesses Govardhani Mata will be performed. From 8 to 9, Ghatastapana of Goddesses and Aarti will be performed. Special Haldi Kumkum program for ladies and traditional programs will be organized on 11th October 4 o'clock. Every day during 9 days of Navratri, morning and evening 7:30 Aarti of Goddesses will be performed. On 13th October from 6 to 12, Navchandika home and afternoon at 1 o'clock for all devotees, Mahaprasad is being organized. Former MLC Manda Mhatre has appealed all the devotees to seek the blessings of goddesses for 9 days Utsav. News Desk, MVTV.
Bump of garbage is seen lying at Joyinagar Sector 23. Garbage bin is not seen in the area, but the residents have expressed their nervousness on this.
In Joyinagar Sector 23, mess of garbage is seen lying all around, where foul smell is seen spread in the area. Blowing wind carry the garbage to the societies. Such bump of garbage is inviting the ailments and various diseases. Residents in the area are upset. No garbage bins in the area. Residents are throwing the garbage openly on the roads.
सही कचरा उड़ते उड़ते पूरे घर में फैल जाता है, बहुत बदबू रहती है और कभी कभार आते हैं वो लोग उठाने के लिए यहाँ पे। इकडे रस्त्याला जे कचरे वगैरे म्हणजे डब्बा नाही आहे, बीएमसीने काही कचऱ्याची कुंडी वगैरे काय ठेवले काय नाही, त्याच्यामुळे सगळी चाळीतली लोक झोपडपडी सगळी इकडे कचरा आणून टाकतात. त्याच्यामुळे इतका त्रास होतो लोकांना जायला यायला. तिथूनच गाड्या जातात, लोक म्हणजे पब्लिक पण जात येत असते, वास पण खूप मारतो आणि पाऊस पडल्यानंतर इतका दुर्गंधी सुटते की म्हणजे इथून चालणंही मुश्किल होऊन जातं. तशी नाहीच येत गाडी, कधीतरी 15 दिवसांनी एकदा आली तर येते गाडी.
सगळ्यांसाठी चालण्यासाठी रस्ताच आहे, पण हे कचराकुंडी आणि इथं नसते. कचराकुंडी इथं नसल्यामुळं ही दुर्गंधी पसरते. या दुर्गंधीमुळे गावात रोगराई पसरते. हे जवळजवळ किती दिवसापासून नाही, जवळजवळ हे झाल्यापासूनच असंच आहे.
Locals have demanded many a times to place a garbage bin in the area. 8 to 10 cleaning staff workers are also seen in the area which are resting for the day long. When MVTV team asked the sweepers, they answered saying that they were busy in making the brooms. Our brooms are being spoiled.
वो झावला निकाल रहे हैं झाड़ू बनाने के लिए.
Since last many months, no garbage bins is seen in the area. Even after demanding the bins many a times, no bins are being kept, where the bump of garbage is seen lying around. Video journalist Amol Kamble with Narendra Pandey, MVTV.
Turbhe Store KKR Road network of overhead wires is seen spread. Few years back, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation had made some of the wires underground, but in Turbhe area, wires are seen as it is hanging around the pole.
Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation had made the overhead wires in Navi Mumbai area underground, but in Turbhe Store KKR network of these overhead wires is seen as it is. These wires are not yet made underground. Hanging wires on the pole are dangerous for the locals living beside. In the other areas of Navi Mumbai, overhead wires were made underground. Why not the wires in Turbhe area are made underground, which are seen hanging open? Even after completing many years, wires in Turbhe are not made underground. Video journalist Amol Kamble with Narendra Pandey, MVTV.
Let's once more have a look on the top reports of the day.
Rapes and molestation cases rise in the satellite city. Navi Mumbai's Belapur Taroja metro line to be extended to Kalyan. Network of overhead wires at Turbhe, the underground work done dangerous for the residents. Bump of garbage at Turbhe, no garbage bin in the area.
If you want to give us any feedback, please contact our address F166 Sector 4 Market, CBD Belapur. You can also email us on mbtvnews@gmail.com or you can contact us on 27571494.
You can now follow us at YouTube, www.youtube.com/user/1mbtv.
This is all we have in today's news bulletin. Have a good day. Keep watching MVTV.